Hello everyone, welcome back to Kitchentastic. So today I am going to show you how to make Qubani Ka Meetha or apricot dessert. It is my favorite dessert. जैसा कि कुर्बानी का मीठा हैदराबाद में बहुत फेमस है और ये मीठा निज़ाम लोग खाते हैं. So let's begin. Wash 500 grams of कुर्बानी or apricot and soak them in 1.5 liter of water. You can see that apricot or Qubani is soaked for whole night. Now we are going to remove the seeds and keep it aside. Add apricots or Qubani along with water to a cooking pan. Do not drain the water. So seeds are removed. Meanwhile we need to break it. So to make apricot dessert we require allow them to cook for 15 minutes. Now add 500 grams of sugar, stir it well. Let it cook for 20 minutes till it forms thick consistency. Don't forget that meanwhile we will break the seeds of apricot or Qubani. Wow, you can see the consistency. Now we are going to add raspberry color, or you can even use food color, pinch of food color. Mix it well. Now you can add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. I hope everything is done. Now give a nice mix and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Oh, I cannot wait. So now you can see that Hyderabadi Qubani Ka Meetha or apricot dessert is ready to serve. Add malai or condensed milk while serving it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Kitchentastic. Follow me on Instagram cookwithib. Like our Facebook page kitchentastic.in. Till then, stay healthy, stay strong. Thank you.